In a quiet African village surrounded by red earth roads and mango trees, there lived a young woman named Zuri. She was hardworking, respectful, and known for selling fresh fruit in the market every morning. Many men admired her beauty, but Zuri always believed that love should bring peace, not pressure. Not far from her home lived a young carpenter named Malik. He was simple, humble, and hardworking. Every day he built tables, chairs, and doors with his bare hands. He was not wealthy, but everyone in the village respected his kindness. One afternoon, Zuri struggled to carry a heavy basket of oranges after the market closed. As people passed by without helping, Malik quietly walked over and lifted the basket onto his shoulder. "Let me help you," he said with a smile. From that day, they started talking more often. Malik would encourage her dreams and listen carefully whenever she spoke. He never tried to control her or make her feel small. But soon, another man entered Zuri's life. His name was Darius, a rich businessman from the city. He arrived in expensive cars, wore designer clothes, and showered Zuri with gifts. Her friends became excited. "This is the kind of man you need," they told her. "Someone with money and status." Slowly, Zuri became confused. She started spending more time with Darius and less time with Malik. At first, Darius seemed charming, but after some time, his true character began to show. He mocked the villagers for being poor. He became angry when Zuri spent time with her family. He constantly reminded her that he was paying for everything. One evening during dinner, Zuri laughed while telling a childhood story. Darius suddenly interrupted her. "You talk too much," he said coldly. "Women should learn when to stay quiet." The table became silent. For the first time, Zuri felt embarrassed and small. Later that night, she walked home alone, thinking deeply about her life. As she passed through the village, she saw Malik outside his workshop repairing an old widow's broken chair for free. "You still work this late?" she asked softly. Malik smiled. "If I can make someone's life easier, why not?" Zuri watched him quietly. In that moment, she realized something important. Money can buy gifts, but it cannot buy kindness, patience, or respect. A few days later, Darius invited her to a large party in the city. In front of his friends, he laughed at her village accent and tried to make her feel uneducated. That was the final moment. Zuri stood up calmly and said, "I would rather struggle with someone who respects me than live in comfort with someone who humiliates me." She left the party and never looked back. Months later, Zuri and Malik started a small furniture and fruit business together. Life was not perfect, but they supported each other through every challenge. And whenever young people in the village asked Zuri about relationships, she always said, "Never choose love because of money, beauty, or pressure from others. Choose the person who makes your heart feel safe."